In this video, I'll show you how to set stop loss on Robinhood options. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, open the Robinhood app or go to the Robinhood website and log into your account. Once you're inside your account, navigate to your portfolio and locate the options position that you want to protect with a stop loss. Tap on the options contract to open the position details. From there, look for the trade button and select the option to sell. This will open the order screen, where you can create a sell order for your options contract. On the order screen, you'll see different order settings. Tap on the order type option to view more choices. Here you can choose a stop order or a stop limit order, depending on how you want the order to execute. If you select a stop order, your option will be sold automatically once the price drops to your selected stop price. This is helpful if you want the order to trigger immediately when the price reaches that level. If you choose a stop limit order, you'll be able to set both a stop price and a limit price. The stop price triggers the order, and the limit price sets the minimum price you're willing to accept when the contract is sold. This gives you more control over the execution price. After choosing the order type, enter your stop price based on the amount of loss you're willing to accept. Then enter the number of contracts you want the stop loss to apply to. Once you've filled in the details, tap Review Order. Carefully check the stop price, order type, and number of contracts to make sure everything is correct. When everything looks good, submit the order. After the order is placed, your stop loss will stay active and will automatically trigger if the option reaches the stop price you set. This allows you to manage risk without having to constantly monitor the market. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.